You know I ain't come to play, let's get it. I'm snapping off the rip. Your hoes say I'm a favorite nigga.
YouTube! It's your girl Cierra B, and I am back with another video. So I'm over here, it's a Friday night, like I'm really just in the house kicking it. So I've been like trying to decide like what it is that I want to do tonight. So I just decided, look, it's Friday night. You ain't got no job and you ain't got shit to do. Kidding, I do have a job. I just don't have anything to do. But I had already been watching Lira Galore. If you know me, you know she's like my girl, pots and pans. But I was looking at Lira Galore's live one day and she was making tacos and the tacos looked so freaking good. And they looked like real Mexican tacos. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna get these ingredients and I am going to make those tacos one day. So I had already bought like all this stuff, I just never made the tacos. So you guessed it, it's cooking with Cierra B type tonight. Yeah. So crazy, but let's get started. So these are the seasonings, condiments, you know, that type of thing, what we're cooking with. So right here we have our salsa. We have this cilantro cooking base. You got your sazon guya. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but whatever. Your black pepper, your Tony's, your onion powder. You have your cheese for when you're done. I did get corn tortillas because I feel like those are gonna work out best for me, and some minced garlic. And I am going to use that grapeseed oil to cook and everything. So right here we have our chicken. I have already cut it up into like little pieces. I'll touch it when I'm ready. Some chicken that's cut up. It's only me that's going to be eating, so everything is going to be like for 2 people because I do want some leftovers. Got some cilantro right here. Got some cut up onions and some cut up tomatoes. Okay, so we are going to take our chicken right here, which I have already rinsed off. You do, when you take unpackaged meat, you do want to rinse your meat. Do not wash it. You're not washing it with dish detergent. I've seen like some memes or something about that. Please do not wash your meat with dish detergent. But I have diced up my meat. I have turned my skillet on to like a medium heat, and I'm just used to in a little bit of this grapeseed oil before I open the new one. Just gonna put some in there. This is the skillet that I'm gonna use for chicken. So with the chicken right here, I'm gonna go ahead and use some onion powder. And use the Tony seasoning. And pepper. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. Gonna sprinkle a little bit of that, like half of the packet, and we're going to open up the cilantro. Go ahead and open that up. We are going to use just a little bit and add a little bit more. Put this around here, and the excess oil, because I put too much in here. The excess oil I'm just going to put over here. This is going to be for my tortillas when I'm ready to fry them. All right. Ooh. And we're just going to dump them in here. Now while the chicken is in here, I'm going to take this. I'm going to use about this much of garlic. While that is cooking up, I'm going to use a little bit more of that. So here you could see me just stirring the chicken around. As I put in the caption right here where you could read, overall it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for a chicken to cook. Chicken does not take long at all to cook. It just depends on your heat preference. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I had my heat on like a medium. If your stove goes up to a certain number, I had it on like 6. Okay, so apparently my heat was down too low, so I just put it back up some. Yeah, I just put it back up to medium high, and hopefully that's better. I know that first one is probably gonna be soggy, but it's okay. And I've turned this chicken down to very low. Just want to keep it warm until these are done. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. So you just want to kind of bend it just a little bit, enough for it to kind of give that shell. There we go. See, you guys are learning trial and error with me over here. Trial and error. Woo, wait a minute, baby. Okay, we got us some paper napkin here. Then I'm gonna add this for a little juice. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Oh. Okay guys, so I am done cooking. And I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do the soggy taco first. We just gonna go ahead and get us a bite in so we can try it out. Oh God, we can try it and see. I be feeling like a goat. Oh my God. Yeah. Let me stop talking with my mouth full. Oh my God. And we having Taco Friday, y'all. We got some Dos Equis, Amber. tacos. Listen, drink responsibly. 21 and older. I told y'all Chloe was gonna come over here. I told y'all she was gonna come over here. Yeah. I'm just gonna say this. Lira girl. Girl. You might have did something. And it got like a little spice to it. Y'all. Listen, Lira girl, you're already my best friend in my head. Now we just gotta be best friends in real life, girl, because I mean these tacos, like I can't even eat no more in front of the camera because I wanna smash. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Cierra B. I really appreciate y'all. Like I really appreciate y'all. If y'all try this taco recipe out, comment below, hit me in my DMs on social media. It doesn't matter. Like just let me know if y'all try this out because it's so freaking bomb. Like I can only imagine if I had like some street corn, you know. I'm just taking it all the way Mexican over here. But thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time, you know the drill.